Everyone, today I'm going to demonstrate how to live stream from your iOS device to Chromecast. So this is the Chromecast device which I'm holding right now, and I'm going to plug in with the power source. So once I plug in, it will start blinking here. So and then I'm going to plug into the TV. Here is my HDMI port, so you can plug it with any HDMI TV. And once it is plugged in, so you will see the Chromecast device here and which Wi-Fi network it is connected with. Then this is on this screen. Here is my web console. So from where I can choose any server or the content from where I'm streaming from my iOS device. So this is my iOS device, and this is here. From here I'm going to stream live stream from camera to web server, and then that web server will send a stream to the Chromecast device. So let me just connect. So as soon as I say connect, it will start sending the stream from my iOS camera to the web server. And I'm gonna launch my Chromecast receiver application. So once I say launch, it will launch the Chromecast receiver. And now you can see in the Chromecast there is a receiver which is showing some debug messages which will help me to debug. And after this, from the receiver application will receive content from a media server. So the content from this iOS device is being rendered on a media server. So I'm going to load the content. So as soon as I say load, you can see that the stream from my iOS device is being played on the Chromecast, and there will be some delay as the content from iOS device is being transferred to media server and then from media server to Chromecast. So there is some network latency and the conversion from frames. So as you can see, I can pause the content. So if I want, I can pause the media which is being played. So you can see the content has been paused, the streaming, and now I can resume from where I left. So once I say resume, the content has been resumed again. So now you can see my TV and my iOS device. So whatever content is being displayed on this iOS device right now will be streamed to the TV. I can hide the debug messages. So debug messages is hidden now, so the content is much clear. So that's it. I can pause from my iOS device, and stream is going to be paused. The content which has been buffered on the network will continue to be played and will stop after some time. So thank you everyone.